Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So today the Hooked Ink Fisher Tycoon. I actually like it because it's you upgrade. It just never ends. That's what I pretty much like, never lasting games. So far, let's watch. Where is it? It's on. I think it's on. It's on. Okay. Not here. Okay. Not here, I guess. Not there either. Okay, I went back to the start, I think. Nope. 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 Where is it then? I really don't like it when I can't find an app. I get pretty angry. Where is the app? Oh, there it is. Okay, so we're just going to be checking the app out. Okay, Lion Studios. I want to see if it's a good app. It looks like a good app on the app. Well, I mean on the ad. So, yeah. So I support that. I think that's the ocean that's moving. So what do I do first? Is this how it is? Yeah, up there. Hacker virus 1, 2, 3, 4. It's at my age. Anyways. So what do I do? Oh, there it is. Can I collect fish? Oh, I'm gonna collect fish. I thought I could also collect birds. That would be good. Lots of birds would go past. This is oh, cool item. Climate. So, what do you have here? See you later if you last the day. Good green page. My name? Okay. Okay. Safe. Okay, yeah. Let's go. Let's get fish. That's what they called fish in the first century. Well, obviously it is. Anyways, got nice. Okay. Just got lots of stuff. Okay, so okay, that's a lot of fish. I like the fish. Now, it's hard to see the fish. It's under. It's a bit shallow. I want a big fish. Oh my god! Look at all the fish. Can I swipe up and down or something? There's a max. There's a max. Oh, there's a max. Tight. Oh, now I got the game. Okay, let's just swipe and get fish from anywhere they come. I'm just swiping everywhere, guys. I don't really care. I just want to get the fish. Fish. Fish celebration. Da, 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 da. I love doing fish celebrations. What's that? What's it? Oh, my god. I need that animal. No! What? No. That's just not fair. I wanted that fish. Not these bad fish. And actually 5,000. God. Oh, there's boxes. Clean. or something. Good luck. Random pool. I don't have any random pool. Alright, I have 15. Okay. It seems like this is going to take a while, guys. Go to deeper waters. Okay, we're doing nice walk. Nice, pretty fish. Trust me, this is a lot of fish. This can last me a lifetime. This is so much worth it. Some people think that's a boring game. No one would want to do it. But I'm like, no way, this is a brilliant game. They're like, you're mad. I'm like, no way, you're mad. And let's wait. It's 5,000 to get to tier 2. Apparently that's what they called it in the 21st century. Guys, I'll say this video is going to be about finishing tier 1. Next video is about almost done tier 2. And then tier 2 or something. So yeah guys, pretty much make sure you subscribe. Okay, yeah. Alright, tier 2? Yeah, boom, done. Haha. Let's see how it is. Whoa guys, that is nice. Oh no. Okay, so yeah guys, that's gonna be the end for this video. So, okay, get off there. That's gonna be the end for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe. Bye.